Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to offset in Bambu Studio. So use this if you want to make an entire object slightly wider or thinner all around to make parts fit together. So look at the left side setting panel and turn this advanced toggle switch on at the top of this basically here. Now click on the quality tab. So select the object. Sorry, we need to be in prepare mode. Uh, but yeah, it's the same thing for here for advanced. Now we select here quality tab, just like that, and scroll down to the precision section. So let's find precision section, which is right here. Now find the setting named XY contour compensation. So this one here, and enter your offset value. So positive offset is basically, for example, 0.2 expands the outer walls outward, making the object slightly thicker. Then negative offset, for example, minus 0.2 will shrink the outer walls inward, making the object slightly thinner. Uh, do what you need to do here, so you can do positive offset or negative offset, but when you change this, what you need to do is head over here to the click select plate to see the new shape. So we will basically save and see the new shape right here. It will take a few moments that everything is properly finished. Basically, it creates G code, and just like that, we now have these walls like we said right here. And yeah, this is basically it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next